Hi, Daddy. Daddy,
Bye, good night.
good day here.
Okay. Yeah, I'm probably gonna regret that. Mm. Uh, we- Yeah, I'm gonna have to probably play that back and make sure. Okay. So I was in this move since about near the open. I think I got into this move around 7 o'clock. Yeah, around like 7 o'clock. And when I came back, I saw this big giant red candle, and I was like, "Damn!" I thought that we would at least break out before that happened, but I was like, I'm still confident in this long. So I do think so. This is gonna be my thesis, at least for right now. At least for right now, I think we see. Uh, I think we see around like 240. I don't think we get no higher than that. Maybe 240, 250. 240, 250 is probably going to be the high. I don't see the market doing anything too crazy tonight. And I will be closing this position before going to bed because I ain't about to sit here and be dreaming about this position. So I'll definitely, depending on how far it goes, uh, I want to start trailing it after. I mean, we see a breakout right here. I want to kind of put, some lock in some profits a little bit. That's what I want to do. I mean, I don't think we get price to come back down here. I mean, it really wouldn't make sense unless, the market's been raging. But again, let's actually look at the data. Uh, my God. Anyway, so yeah, so let's look at the data. And as you can see, today was obviously a bearish trend. It's a bearish trend, bullish trending range, bullish trending range. So I wonder what's going to happen tomorrow. I think today was probably the only day this week where the bulls didn't come back and take out pre-market high this week. Today was the only way. This was just a big two-legged pullback into an area of support. The price action for the entire day was just a big two-legged pullback, and I'm gonna show that to you guys. Just a big two-legged pullback into support. Uh, so obviously your first leg down right here, your pullback, and then your last leg into a area of previous support at 20K. We almost took out 20K today. I mean it's close enough. 23. I was actually looking at 25, so I was about 2 points off. But yeah, today was definitely again one of those days. One of those days. Uh if you did not make money today, you blew your account, unfortunately. I lost account today as myself being not necessarily being foolish. Uh I lost an account because out of nowhere, I was like, dude, I was right. I read the setup and I was right. I was I was right. And I had to really uh sit back and think like, damn, like what the hell was that? Because we was actually in this short. I think I was up about 9K, and then out of nowhere. And if y'all guys were with me this morning, y'all guys saw that we was up, and out of nowhere, this big wrap. I mean, this leg right here. I mean, right now, while the market is still, anybody that was trading this morning around London close, you know how rapid and the momentum behind these candles were. I was short. I had a stop. This thing blew through my stop. I did not get stopped out. I lost all that money, and this is Apex. So I was up. I was still in an open position as well, and it was just enough to blow the account and then continue in the direction that I was trading in. And I was like, wow. Wow. That's all I could say was wow. That's just how crazy the price action's been. I mean, it was just random. I mean, honestly, I'm looking to the left. I don't see any reason for the market to have done what it did. I don't see it. And the crazy thing is that I went long and then it stopped me out and then I was like, okay, well maybe it's not going long anymore. Because I figured around at the time I was like, well shit, we just had this big move down. The bulls are going to come back in eventually. So, I was trading with my intuition, with my gut, so I went long, but it came back and stopped me out and I was like, well shit, maybe I'm wrong on this one. Maybe I'm wrong. And I guess my gut was right and I was wrong. So that wasn't fun. I lost an account unnecessarily because of that, but that's just how crazy the Nasdaq was today and has been this week. All the bullish moves have been shorted. All the bearish moves have been choppy. It was not making it easy for the bears or the bulls today. And as you can see, the market is so negative. You got negative levels above price. That's how negative the market is. And when you're in this amount of negative gamma, like there's literally no positive. There's no positive gamma in the market right now. It's all negative. And so that's why every time the market would pop up, we would see a big move down because people are, for whatever reason, they're panic selling. I don't know why. Trump, I know everybody is fearful of the tariffs, but I mean, it's kind of obvious that he's using these tariffs as leverage to bring these countries to the negotiation table to make life here in the United States a little bit better. I mean, he said that it's going to be hard for a while, but over time it's going to get better. We don't know if that's going to happen, but he made it very clear that that was his plan. I don't know why people are. I don't know why the investors. I can understand why the everyday person is doing, but investors, I wonder why they're doing it. They're acting like the world's about to fall. Like we just didn't get done. Like we're just fresh out of Biden's administration. I mean, the way that the market is crashing right now, that's how it should have been last year. And that's what threw a lot of people off because it was like, I mean, why the market isn't crashing? Why are we just racing higher in an environment where it shouldn't be like this? And I think that over time, we've just gotten used to it. We've gotten used to it. And now that the adults are back in the room, quote unquote, I think now everybody just coming back down to reality. And I guess if I'm an investor and I see that all the USAID, all the wasteful spending is now drying up, and I have positions all the way up here at 22K, 20K, 21K, whatever. I guess I would try to sell out too because I know that uh, eventually the rug is going to get pulled eventually. So I can understand it. Hmm. Man, I'm not fearful of this candle. I just hate the fact that it keeps going to my damn break even. I just hate that. It's like wherever I put my break even at, or whenever I get into a position, it just tests my damn break even 20 times before we start to see some movement away from it. I mean, like I said, I was in this at 7. I didn't see this happen because I was away from my desk because I felt confident in this trade. And I didn't see this happen. And when I came back to my desk, I was like, damn, that shit ran all the way up to 217 and then came back to my break even. But anyway, Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. You know, I do prefer to sell the market versus buying it because getting your target hit on the sell side, it used to be easy. The way that the market is selling off, I mean, that's how the market usually sells off from supply. And I enjoy being a bear. Actually, yeah, I started trading whenever we was in that bear market, probably at the start of COVID, and all like kind of like how, yeah, kind of like oh shit, me and Smith gonna talk about this tomorrow. Now that I think about it, yeah, when I first started trading futures, this is like seeing moves like this. This is how I became a bear. I came into the market and when it was a bear market during COVID, and all the shorts worked. It didn't matter where you got short at, it worked. But hopefully, we don't see what happened last night because this thing just chop, chop, chop. And around like 1 o'clock in the morning, that's when this thing finally just crapped. And this is in your eval, right? I mean, the correct way to trade is to buy low and sell high. The market's been shorting for, I mean, the last week. So, I mean, 9 times out of 10, you're going to have to wait for the price to go into an area of support, to try along. Cause I mean, we've been so bearish. I mean, that's the only way to make money. You really don't want to sell the market when it's going lower and you don't want to buy the market as it goes higher. Uh, if y'all guys see me do that, just know that it's very dangerous. I'm taking a lot of risk buying as it goes higher. That's not how you're supposed to trade. You will not get a good risk reward buying as the market goes higher. You have to buy it as it goes lower. And it's going to feel scary because obviously, if it's crashing down and it feels like it's not going to stop, that's scary, but you have to overcome that fear and buy it as it goes lower to get the best price. That's why y'all guys will probably see, not probably, that's why y'all see me with close to the best price possible, kind of like right here. I mean, I saw the market set up, and as it was going down, I had to buy into it. And like I said, I'm gonna probably close this trade. I'm not gonna go to bed with it on, especially with the bulls being as weak as they are now. I'm definitely not going to. Yeah. Yeah, I mean these like dude yeah, these bears have definitely been pushing. Like they've been pushing and the Nasdaq has definitely been running support multiple times. Like taking people's stops, taking them out of the position, making sure like how many times the Nasdaq has came close to my break even. It's like why, you know? I mean, uh it's obvious like based on the structure, it's obvious that at least wants to go and continue upwards. Like I said, I think 240 might be that number that we see. but I'm not going to place a limit there to find out. But I mean, if we can just get some balanced price action where both sides in the market can make, some money without getting wicked out of their position, that would be great. I mean, you have to widen your stops. Yeah. Yeah, I made a joke earlier today. I was like, man, you need a 100-point stop just to go long. Like, god damn. You need to put 100 points of risk just to get your long entry. I mean, that's just how crazy it's been. I mean, yeah. Obviously, we wouldn't ever recommend not trading without a stop. It's there to protect you from yourself. Honestly, if yeah, it's there to protect you from yourself. Yeah, today, so I gave back all my gains today and was only up. So I ended. So my highest point today was 3K, and I walked away with only 6 of it. The market hit my break even after the market closed. I was like, wow, wow, wow. And then hits my target after the bell, after the 310 cutoff. And the market has been doing that a lot lately. It's just that 310. I mean, obviously the market is aware of us, of prop firm traders now, because I swear everything happens after 310. It's like it waits after 310 just to make the move. And it's frustrating. It really is. Now another, if I try a new prop firm, if they close at 310, I'm that right there is a deal breaker for me. That is a deal breaker. That 310 cutoff is annoying. All right. Mm, all right. Thought I can trust this trade, but I was about to say, what the hell was just that? I was like, where did that came from? What the hell is even that? Yeah, I think I mean if this thing, yeah, I'm not gonna sit here like I said, I'm not gonna hold this overnight. I'll definitely be sad if this thing does shoot up overnight and I have a really decent entry right now. I mean, it looks that way. It does look like the market is about to blast up based on how it's structured right now. But it's just these damn fucking bears, these rainbow bears. Get the hell out the way. Get out of the way, rainbow bears. Get out of the way. Damn, man, this week's price action has just been very annoying. Oh my God. All right, man. All right. I don't think we got anything newsworthy tonight. I don't think Trump talks tonight either. Hopefully he doesn't while I'm not in this damn while I'm in this long. All right. So I mean, we don't got nothing tonight. At least I'm not seeing nothing. Let me see. What is the Forex Street? I think Forex Street or Forex Factory or something like that. Yeah, it's like Forex Factory. And they kind of give you updates on as Trump spoke at 1:39. Yeah, it kind of gives you updates when Trump is speaking. So I don't see anything, obviously. Okay. But tomorrow we definitely do have a lot. We have non-farm payroll. We have a lot of job data tomorrow. Uh, uh yeah, anyway. Yeah, we have a lot of job data tomorrow. We have a lot of Fed speakers speaking tomorrow, so they must have a panel tomorrow. We have Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaking as well at around 11:30 tomorrow. So make sure that if you're in a position tomorrow, make sure you're in a decent position. I mean, even then, shit, take your profits and close out. Uh, yeah, we got a bunch of Fed speakers, and we have Fed Kugler speaking twice. So I wonder what that. So yeah. uh, mm. And yeah, core go down. I'm glad to see that. Yeah, I mean, there was a point in time where I didn't trade with a stop neither. And obviously, rest in peace those accounts. And you know what, man? I told myself today I'm going to stop torturing myself with these damn positions I like to get into. I'm going to stop torturing myself because I get in and then for whatever reason, and I know everybody goes through this. Why is it that every time that you're like the market is zooming and vrooming, is moving at a very fast pace. It looks like it's going to get to where it needs to get to in less than 2 seconds. And if you miss it, if you hesitate, you'll miss the ride. And then as soon as you get in, then all of a sudden the market just slows down. It slows to a grind. and the market starts to begin to feel heavy. Why the hell does that happen every time you get into the position? You know what, man? I'm actually going to just reduce my risk on this a lot. 88, 88, 78 will be 10. Oh, all right. All right. All right. All right. All right. The reason why I moved my stop up, I'll give it to like 69. Is because I feel like 88 minus. I feel like this thing wants to sweep more liquidity, and honestly, I don't care to sit through any of that. I really don't. Either this thing is going to work, or I'm just going to take the small loss and look at ES too. Yeah, that hourly candle does not. That hourly candle does not look bullish. Is it oil? Let's look at that. Shit, honestly, I might just go back to trading. I mean, shit. After this week in the market, I might just go back trading commodities, man, because CL, the Nasdaq was crazy, and it's still acting crazy. Feel like I should probably close this now because I really don't want to lose $300, but I don't want to move my stop so close. Oh my god! All right, so there's the trend line break. Like I said, I'm not going to deal with this. I'm just going to stop out. I really don't want to deal with this if this doesn't hold. Man. Mm. And what the hell was that? Like, what the hell was even that? What was that for? Yeah, like I said, I'm definitely not going to hold this overnight. I'm definitely not going to hold this overnight. I'll just wake up tomorrow. I mean, I made some money going short at the open. I figured that I'll just try to, get some more money. So I was risking some of my profits here, but uh, I should have got out. Well, like I said, I wasn't in front of my desk, so I mean, I can't tell myself that where I should have got out at. I wasn't even in front of my desk when this happened. I kind of figured that it would have kept going, but uh, I guess I'm really good at sometimes I find myself really good at taking trades when the market is not doing like it seems like the trades that you don't take, those are the ones that work. And the ones that you do take, those are the ones that are going to give you some trouble. Like this one right here is giving me a little bit of trouble now after being up on this trade. Okay. And shit, whatever. And after what happened yesterday, I damn sure ain't gonna leave this a long on. A short, yeah, but not a long. My only saving grace would be that 50 EMA that's popping up right there. I like how the 21 is above it, and I like how the 51 is sloping up, or the 50 is sloping up as well. So if we do get a test of that 50 EMA, we should see a bounce. We should see it. But yeah, I didn't even notice that. Mm. Mm. Yeah, but I don't like that either. All right. Oh wow, I didn't know that. Huh. Shit, either the Nasdaq holds here, or we're going to see a break to 152 at least. When you speak of the devil, it comes, right? All right, man. All right. Nice. Nice. Okay. Okay. So that's what I was looking for. Let's see if let's see if the Bulls will hold that. Let's see if they hold that. If not, then yeah, I can't give this thing anymore. Mm. All right, so let's see if the Bulls will come in. I mean, the Bulls are coming in. Let's see if they hold this. All right. Well, all right. We got to talk about reality here. I mean, this is the trend line. We did had a miniature break, so I'm going to assume that the Bears are going to try to come back right here at the trend line, and that's the reality of things. They're going to try. Let's see if my break even becomes resistance somehow. Let's see if that happens. Because I don't like, I mean, this ain't really angled. I mean, the Bulls, in order for this to work, man, the Bulls got to push through this, man, because it's not angled correctly. I mean, this is what is it? A steep angle right here. This is steep. There's not enough room right here now, no more. I mean, the Bulls are going to have to really just kind of squeeze in there, literally squeeze. All right, so let's see. I mean, we've had it's not the fastest movement, but it's been decent. Let's see if it's going to slow down as it gets to my break even and stall. Let's see. The market's been kind of playing with me like that for a while. I mean, all day today. All right, so let's see. What's up, Carlos? What's up? What's up? What's up to everybody? Hmm. Okay. That's actually pretty cool. I could be grinding and shining, but I'm still trying. Yeah. Yeah. I definitely agree with that, Elvin. I trade the pre-market. So you see that shit I'm talking about? You see that shit I'm talking about, man? You see that shit? Oh my god. You see that shit? All right. Whatever, man. Whatever. Casually just down $200. Yeah. Anyway, uh damn. Y'all see that shit? I mean, I know my entry couldn't have been that good. Well, let me rephrase that. I mean, wow, right? So I guess the whole market just decided that, yeah, let's just make this resistance, this entry resistance. And like I said, I don't got the perfect entry in terms of a long. I just got in at the momentum. And that's what kills me. It's like I would understand if the entry was perfect, but yeah, that's kind of crazy. Literally stopped about a couple of points away from the break even. 2 points away from break even. And for what? But yeah, we trade pre-market Monday through Thursday, and or let me rephrase that. If I'm in a trade, it's because I saw something at the time. But I'm usually holding trades from now until New York open. Like if I see an area of support that I think that could be a potential bottom or a potential top, you'll see me get into a position, and 9 times out of 10, I'll probably hold it overnight. Lately, we just haven't been getting price action like that. We just haven't. It's been slow, choppy, doing this back and forth crap, not going anywhere but against you. Wow. All right, man. All right. All right. All right, man. All right. All right. Oh my God, the Nasdaq. You gotta love her, or you'll just stop trading her. You gotta love her, or you'll just stop trading her. Hmm. I told this. I sent this to Smith earlier. I'm gonna share this with you guys. Smith sent me a meme, man. We've been kind of joking about it. So someone on Instagram, and I guess there's gold traders. This is a gold trader that said this. It said that the Nasdaq is wifey, and uh, XAU USD gold USD. That's your side chick. That's the one that you keep on the side. And I was like, wow, is gold USD that crazy? That in comparison, it makes the Nasdaq look tame. Like you can trust her. Like she's not for these streets. Is that how crazy gold USD is? I was like, man, this person is absolutely crazy. Unless gold is crazier. And I was like, man, the way that the Nasdaq been trading this week is like she's been trading to try to prove a point. Like, nah, she's for these streets. Don't ever think that she's wifey type. Shit, if she ain't crazy enough, she'll get crazy. If y'all think gold is crazier than me, shit. Yeah, the Nasdaq's been moving like she's been trying to prove something. And I was like, yeah, she probably saw that post on Instagram, and she was like, oh no, I can't have him thinking of me like that. I can't go out like that. They think gold is more crazier than me? Oh hell no. Gold futures is, I mean, it's not even crazy. It's just that if you don't stop out when you're wrong, I mean, she ain't coming back. I mean, I mean, I wouldn't call that crazy. I would just call that good risk management. I mean, if you're wrong, you gotta, like, a 270, a 27-point stop on gold is all you need. If you go further than that, because honestly, if it goes past 18 cents, then you're 9 times out of 10 you're wrong. And if it's going past 27, you're super wrong. I mean, you should be stopping out at 27. Gold don't be playing games like that. It goes in one direction, and then it gets to its stop, and then it goes into the other direction. That's how gold trades. And my trading partner Smith, I told him about it. He didn't listen. I told him about trading gold, and she is not the Nasdaq. Do not hold her. Do not hold. If you're wrong, unfortunately, you got to take that loss. With the Nasdaq, you can hold and hope. You can hold and hope on the Nasdaq. I mean, which one usually wins? That's the question. I mean, we probably might get like a little push here, but then they're gonna probably sell into it. So I guess here's my plan. If we get another push like close to like 90, 200 or something like that, um, we're gonna look to close it if she doesn't reverse. It's like I said, I'm not holding this shit overnight. I'm just not. And the way that this shit is looking, it does look like they're trying to sell it off this trend line. It's like it feels like I'm waiting for the other shoe to drop. Like the way that, like I said, it's too sloped for the bulls to do anything right here. And the bears can easily sell off this thing right here. The only thing that's in their way right now is these EMAs are in the way. That's the only thing that's kind of holding this thing back. Because you can see as the bears are trying to sell it, the bulls are buying it off the 50. Just one contract crap. Hmm. Yeah, it was, man. It was. Uh, I lost an account off that move, and I was right. I was right. I mean, y'all guys, I mean, those that was with me this morning saw that shit. Was in short, and out of nowhere, that random ass pop. And then it was so violent that my stop didn't trigger. I don't know why. It's supposed to be a simulated environment, right? My stop shouldn't be, if the quote unquote, if it's in the sim, my stop should get triggered where I got it at. But it didn't play out that way. That shit ran through my stop, and I blew the account off that damn thing. Oh, you're in the same long too? Yeah. I should have got out of it when I was in profit. When I should have got out of it. I should have, like, once it broke into this range, what I should have did was I should have just put my stop right there. That's what I should have did. Like I'll say this, and Nate, tell me if you're feeling the same way. Yo, this comp account is stressful as hell. I'm not gonna lie. This one contract crap is stressful. I can't believe I used to trade like this. It is stressful, man. And not stressful and then like, oh, I can't handle it. It's stressful because you're constantly having to make decisions. Constantly. Do I get out here and reposition? Do I get out here and reposition? Do I take my profits here? And if it's keep going up, do I scale back in? Do I wait for a pullback? And then when it comes back down to your break even, you don't have another contract, to revenge scale into it. So you're like, damn, this shit just came back to my break even. And then now you're not even thinking about the trade anymore. You're thinking about, damn, I should have took profits. Because now price is back at break even. And I could have made more money. All right. So I think, yeah, 240 is going to probably be that level. I think we're going to 240. I think we're going to 240. Mm. He said if I was in gold, man, I might have to put gold back on my charts because honestly, that's probably what I should be trading in this comp account instead of Nasdaq. I probably should be trading gold. If I see a setup on gold, I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna. Huh. I think that's why I never trade gold like that for real sometimes. Because every time I look at her, she's never set up. And I think that's why I stopped trading Bitcoin. Well, not stopped trading Bitcoin. I stopped paying attention to it because it's never set up. It's always in a range when I look at it. You said on gold, this one right here. I mean, I'm not saying that. Yeah, I'm just saying like when I look at it, it's just not set up yet. Like, I mean, I'm pretty sure if he was like, if I saw it when it was right here, then yeah, this move down was good. It's just that I wasn't paying attention to it when it happened. I mean, I guess this could be a long right here. Hmm. Yeah, I probably should be trading gold instead of Nasdaq with this one contract on gold, or with this one contract in this comp account. Hmm. Okay, this shit's just playing with me now. This shit is just playing with me now. All right. Mm. Okay. Nice. All right. Like I said, I'm not going to give the market I'm not going to give the market I'm going to leave my stop where it's at. Yeah, I'll leave it right there. All right. I'll leave it right there. Cuz it's like it's this thing is really testing me right now. It's getting close to my break even to where I can just take it, but it's just not giving it to me. And It's keep knocking it back down as it gets close. Yeah, it definitely feels that way too. And I'm trading the full mini, so I don't get the 100,000 contracts being traded on the micros. I get the 22,000. Where this thing feels like a damn the got an anchor on price right now. So I always seem to find myself in these situations, man. All right, so that's a new candle. As crazy as that sounds, that's a new freaking candle. Let me look at the. I hate to look at it, but yeah, look at the ES. Yeah, look at that hourly candle on the Nasdaq. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get stopped out. That hourly candy. That hourly candle looks really nasty. Yeah, I mean, this price action is stupid. I mean, this is the stupidest the price action has been in a very long time. This is, I mean, it's very stupid. The market can be just so irrational at times. It's like it's stupid. It's very stupid. Yeah. Mm. All right. So we got 10 more minutes until the next hourly candle forms here. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Hmm. Looks like there's a little range right here. Looks like that's what's holding the market off right there. That's a little range right there. So a range between 198 and 181. You said check out this entry. What are you talking about? If you posted a link, I don't think YouTube allows links in the chat. Hmm. Yeah, this is a competition account. I can only trade one contract. It's a comp account. You can only trade one contract. Hmm. Okay, so that's fine. You don't have to be on my screen anymore. You don't want to cooperate, you'll get removed. There you go. Hopefully this line does exactly what I needed to do. Stay where I needed to stay at. And this line had a damn mind of its own. Alfred says he was, I was originally short in this. I was originally short in this one, so I got paid on this. I should have took my profits here, but I didn't think this thing was going to just. Well, I guess I shouldn't be surprised, man. I really shouldn't have been surprised. I was up at least $200 or $300 in this trade, and now I'm down just as much. I really didn't think the market was going to do this. I mean, it's. Mm, I don't even know why I'm even saying that. The Nasdaq's been doing this crap all day, but I mean, it made support. It made a little head and shoulders pattern at the time. I mean, it pushed all the way up here, and then it just crapped. Mm. All right, so we got 4 more minutes to the next candle forms on the hourly chart. So we'll see what happens at 10. Yeah, Alfred, I said the same thing. I wish that the market stayed above my break even because I would have been closing it at the end of the stream. Just for that very reason. Now I'm hoping that I can at least get break even But have a good night though, Alfred. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Nah, I don't do that. I did that one time and I just and the only reason why I pulled that shit was because I was on my last day on my milestone account, which I will never trade ever again. So it was the same torture like this, but with that milestone account, all I needed was to make $300 a day, which is easy. And it was just on that last day. And I was trading the ES and not the Nasdaq because I only had what $1,000 of drawdown. So I traded the ES on that account. And she missed my target by I think a tick or 2 ticks, and she dropped. And of course she did that shit on the last day. Of course she did. And she says, "You know you about to be up with me, my guy. He about to be up all night, my guy. So get ready." And from I think I forgot what time I put that damn thing on. I just know that she hit my target at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. I didn't go to sleep. She didn't lie. She said we was gonna be up. I could have went to sleep, but I knew I would have had nightmares all night, so I had to stay out with her. And then, as soon as she hit my target, you know exactly what she did. You know exactly what she did after she hit my target. She did this. She hit my target, finally hit it, and then she did this right here. Stop run. Yeah. Don't you just hate that shit, man? Yeah. And it always seems like, dude, it just seems like you always pick the nights when the market does that crap, or it's the that your last day seems to always line up with the market when it does the bullshit. It seems to always line up. All right. All right. So this is the new hourly candle. Let's see where it's opening up at. It's not bullish, but it could be bearish. I mean, especially if it starts shooting down. But if we can get that body to kind of open up into that into the previous body, then it's not bearish, but it's not necessarily super bullish either. But it's more bearish than bullish because it's opening up closer to the bottom of the candle versus the middle or the top of that candle. I mean, should I? I mean, will the market do that? All right, so we'll see what happens at this trend line test. Because I mean, it looks like the bulls are buying it at that what is up with this trend line, dude? Like, what the hell? What's up with the trend line? Yeah, so it looks like the bulls are buying the 50 EMA. It's just like, but it just seems that every time the bulls or the bears or price gets close to this trend line, the bears are just trying to sell it. Oh no, you said that you're at 10K. Oh no, you're still at break even on that account, or you had a couple of losses. I swear, I will get out of this damn thing. But yeah, I was in yesterday I was I kind of did the same thing. I got to get out of that habit of doing that. I just got to. This thing came to my break even so I was in long and I didn't take profits. Where was I in long at? Cuz I was in at 165. Forgot where exactly I got in at 165. I think I got in at 165 here around like 12 o'clock. I didn't think that it was going to drop at this area. I thought that we at least had like 220, 240 at least. I didn't think this thing was going to do this. And I held that thing, man. I'm not going to sit here and say that I didn't. I held that thing. I just walked away from the screen because I was like, I just put my stop all the way underneath 20K because I was like, yeah, it's probably not going to go there. And then I came back to my desk and saw it touch 20K and I was like, oh shit. Good thing I didn't put it exactly at 20K. I put it around like 980 because I was going to use my profits as drawdown. And I just walked away from the screen because I assumed that the market was going to do exactly what it did the last couple of days, where it would drop and then we would have a massive run. And of course, today it didn't choose to do that. All right, so let's see what happens here. Will it give me my break even? That's the question. It's so close. The bulls are, let's actually look at that hourly candle real quick. I mean, yeah, that's a good hourly candle. That's a good hourly right there. So far, let's look at the ES. Yeah, that's look good on the ES too. Hmm. She just won't give it to me. I mean, she just won't give that to me, huh? Mm. Wow. Are y'all guys seeing this? Are y'all guys seeing this shit? Are y'all seeing this? Are y'all like, dude, this she did exactly what I said she'd do. She's gonna stall at my break even. Yo, what the fuck? All right. I mean, I got $20 in profits. I mean, she put me through the ringer. Oh yeah, they definitely know, dude. They probably in the stream watching. It's like, let's fuck with this guy real quick. stop, stop everything. This thing literally stopped at my break even, dude. That is just the craziest thing. Literally stopped. But I'll give this thing 5 more minutes, man. 5 more minutes, see what it does. Uh Give this thing 5 more minutes. Because you already know the feeling. I mean, you've been in this shit all day. She had you waiting. It's like now you kind of want to get paid for your time now. And the Nasdaq is real good at that shit. She was like, "Well, I'll give you $15 for holding through all that drawdown for 2 hours." Come on, baby, just pop for me a little bit. Nice, nice. Where exactly do you got your limit at? Or you said the you got to sell at the wick at the next wick over. Where do you got it at exactly? Hmm. The art of the deal. The art of the deal right now. She says, "Oh, the best I can do is give you break even with a little bit of profits. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it." Yeah, I think so too. Nate, I think that's probably. I'm considering actually setting a limit there at 240. What makes you think? So what got you interested in that level? I would like to hear your thoughts on that. Hmm. Oh my god. Whatever, dude. That is crazy, man. Man, oh shit, I should have took the gold long. I should have got out of this one and took the long on gold. All right, man. That's crazy. Like seriously, that's crazy right there, man. That is some crazy work. That is absolutely crazy. That is some crazy work, Nasdaq. That's crazy. Using my break even as resistance. That is absolute craziness. That is crazy. He said someone slamming the sell. Game, what you talking about? They're trying to sell it now. All right, I'll give this thing 3 more minutes, man. Shit. I'm just gonna keep my mouth shut. You don't know how long I'm gonna get this shit. Wow. 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 Nice one, Nasdaq. Actually, let me look at the time it sells myself. Damn, someone hit like 40s. Like, dude, who's that? Bastard. Who's that? Who's this guy? Fucking bastard. Yeah, like who the fuck is that? Whoever this guy is, there's a nice place in hell for you right now. Why the hell you selling 180s like that? Why? Dang, dude, like he's hitting that shit. Damn, he hit that damn thing with 47 contracts. Yo, what the hell is up with that? Can't do that. Oh no, did something just happen? Y'all see that, right? Hold on, what happened? Hold on, what just happened? Damn, man. The fuck? Damn. Yo, what's going? Yo, what the hell is going on, dude? All right, MFF been doing this, like I said, been doing this stupid shit, man. What the? Okay, this thing doesn't want me to win. All right, I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. Yeah, I know, dude. Like that shit pissed me off. Like, what the hell was that? All right, man. I'll just come back tomorrow, man. I'll just come back tomorrow. I mean, I'm just gonna chop myself to. I can't accept that. I can't accept the market taking something from me, and I just can't accept that shit. Man, I mean, I know better than that on gold. Let me just delete this chart before I do something foolish. I already know better on gold than do that shit. Oh, gold, why are you tempting me with that? I know better than that. I know better than that. Hmm. It's like ES is about to double bottom. Hmm. I'm just waiting to see what they do at that liquidity at 165. I want to see what happens when the market touches that. And let me mark it on the chart real quick. 165. Because there's a bunch of liquidity right there on Bookmap. I can't go to bed knowing that someone took $200 from me. Yeah, Jack. I mean, yeah, the market's just been crazy. As crazy as this sounds, I mean, I don't think it takes out that low at 641. I don't think that it takes that low out. So it seems like a short. Yeah. Mm, yeah. Yeah, I can't deny that. I can't deny it. That's why I'm kind of curious. I was like, yeah, that it does look like the bears are shorting off of this damn I mean, they are shorting it off of the trend line. I mean, at least they're trying. They trying. God damn it. God damn it. I got my come to bed. Going to bed. Damn it. Guess I'm gonna come to bed after I see this. See what happens here. You think London breaks 20K? You know, like honestly, I've been saying I was like, man, why? That would be crazy to come all the way back just to do that. Like that would be absolutely crazy. All right, let's see what they do at this damn liquidity right here because I want my money back. How about this? How about this? Because what I'm trying to do is I want to see if it tries to run this and then pop back up. Yeah. Yeah. See, I knew it was going to do that. Okay. I knew it was going to do that. Okay. Okay. If this thing falls, it falls. But I think this thing is sweeping liquidity first because there was none but liquidity sitting right here. I doubt it takes this low out. I doubt it. All right, cool. That's exactly where I want my stop. That's exactly where I want my stop, and that's exactly where I want my target. But I'm not going to sit up here and wait for this thing to hit. Yeah, I'm not gonna watch it. I'm fine with whatever the hell happens. I'm fine. I want to see if the Bulls are gonna buy this thing. Yo, for whatever reason, for whatever reason, this trend line is just going crazy. Or this line is going crazy. It's been jumping back and forth. If I lock it down, it does that. Like, what the hell's going on? It's looking like a liquidity sweep. I got 1 more minute. And then my "are you going to bed" alarm's gonna probably come in here. You coming to bed? Yeah, I'm coming to bed, damn it. I gotta make this money first. Damn it. Okay. Yeah, I think because there was a bunch of liquidity at this level. So I think we see a pop. We at least see a pop like we're seeing now. We at least see a pop. We may not see no reversal, but I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna see what it does around like 84. Actually, let me change this another color so I can see it, because I'm not gonna see that in the heat of the moment. I'm not gonna see that. Like, what's a color I'm gonna notice? I mean, I'm gonna notice pink, but my line is pink. I'm not gonna notice blue, purple, pink. Maybe this white color. Let me see. Let me see how that looks. Yeah, what's up? Shit. Give me a second. What's up? Where you at? Oh shit. My bad. Thanks for that. I don't know why this thing muted. Anyway, she does not want to pay me tonight for what. Oh my god. Hold on. Was this Hold on. Did this can? Hold on. Was this a candle right here? Mm, mm, mm. She does not want to pay me tonight. What's up with that? Come on, baby. Give me at least 500 for my troubles. Shit, if you want me to trade you tomorrow morning, she's like, who else you gonna trade? Who else you trading? You know, there's nobody else but me. But shit, if you want me to trade you tomorrow morning, you give me 500. God damn it. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, yeah, I'm definitely gonna probably do that as well. I probably won't have it overnight. I probably wake up whenever I wake up and look at the charts and see if because I think 240, 230, 240 is probably that level tonight. I think that's the level tonight. Honestly, I think where I'm in at now is probably the bottom of this move. But we don't know that yet. So I mean, that's just me speculating. I'm not saying it is. Because I do think this right now, that's a strong low right there at 41. But baby, I'm just trying to hold $500 until tomorrow, baby. You got me? You got me? I'm not holding that shit all the way up there. Like I said, I'm not going to sleep on this thing. This comp account has me so goddamn dedicated and so committed that I'm treating this as if I'm getting well shit, if you get in the top 10, you will get paid out. I'm treating this thing like as if it's like a funded account. Instead of having fun in it, I'm trading this thing like for real, for real. Like my ego's attached to this shit. My feelings attached to this damn account now. Shit. When I get stopped out, my feelings get hurt. It's not fun. It's real life. All I'm asking for is 500, baby. That's it. $200 more. That's all I'm asking for. That's it. Damn, look at that. That shit is holding the bottom of that range right there. Nah. Y'all see how, man, shit. Y'all see the tantrums I be throwing? Hell no. Shit. I'll really crash out if it's my money. Hell no. Hell no. And then plus, hell no. Uh-uh. Nah, not futures. I'll trade options with my own money, not futures. Hell no. Now, if prop firms wasn't a thing, then I would trade my own money. I would probably start a 5K account and build that. But that 5K would be something that so I put like $200 to the side. I saved up that $200 so it doesn't mean nothing. So I don't have any emotional attachment to it. So I can say that, oh yeah, this is money that I put to the side and there's no emotional attachment and I can just go in the market and trade. You know what you can do with $5,000 that you work hard for? You can do a lot. You can lose that shit instantly in the market. Become a $5,000 liquidity donation to the market. Hell no. Hell no. I have too much of an aggressive personality for that. I lost $200 and y'all saw how no, I can't do that. My personality is too aggressive. I just can't I can't imagine myself just being okay with losing. I just that's not me. That's not me. I'm a fight. I would like yeah. I'm the type of person that if obviously this is not something that I would want, but if put in a situation to either to submit or die, shit, you die. In my opinion, you're dying both ways. Like you gotta look in yourself and you gotta look yourself in the. Well, I have to look myself in the mirror and say like, dang, you put yourself like hell no, fuck no, mm-mm, no, nope. So I enjoy the fact that I can just buy these $100, $200 prop firms. I have $50,000, $150,000 of buying power, and I consistently get paid out from these firms. I don't need to put my money in this market. I don't need to. And if I blow one of these funded accounts, yeah, my feelings are hurt, but hey, in actuality, I lost my time and $200 at the most, probably. Uh, I mean, that's all I lost. You say you imagine me paying penny stocks? You know, I don't mind. I don't mind trading anything as long as it moves, and as long as it makes me money. I don't care what the hell it is. As long as it moves and as long as it makes me money, I will trade it. You say you're not a black Viking. You are? Nah, nah. I'm the type of person. I'm gonna stand on it. Oh, I mean, shit. I grew up in an environment where you had to. Shit. You show any signs of weakness, you became food. And I'm just a product of my environment. That's all it is. People think I'm from New York. That's how aggressive my personality is. Honestly, I just think it's normal because it's normal. It's like, but anyway, I guess to the normal person, it would be considered aggressive because I'm straightforward and honest. And I guess that's aggressive, too straightforward. I'm not afraid to ask questions. If I have a question, I'm gonna ask it. I mean, it's not ever meant to offend anybody. I guess that's anyway. It don't matter. But yeah, I can't accept that. It's interesting that the Nasdaq doesn't want to pay me right now. But I'm gonna give this thing a couple more minutes. I'm not gonna tell it how many more minutes. I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes. I'm gonna take it and watch. As soon as I take it, that's when she's gonna fly. Because that's how nasty she is. All right. And this is kind of why I took that trade on the Nasdaq, because I saw a potential double bottom right here on the ES. I was like, if the ES about the double bottom, then the Nasdaq will. Wow. 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 Come on, Nasdaq, give me my money. Shit. Shit, you know what would be funny? Mm. All right, guys, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. All right, I'm done. I'm not dealing with that. I got my money back. All right, man. We'll definitely come back tomorrow. Our boy Smith is gonna be with us. We're gonna have to. I'm gonna have to show some restraint tomorrow. I'm gonna have to show some restraint. He's gonna be in his funded account tomorrow, his take profit trader account tomorrow, and he's been showing signs of anxiousness. And I told him, I was like, man, I would kind of wait till Monday because you don't want to go into the weekend with an account like that. And he said that he's going to try, but I'm pretty sure he's going to come in at London maybe. He's going to see a setup. He's going to switch to that TPT account and he's going to trade it. I mean, the Nasdaq is highly addictive. It's a drug. And just like any fiend, you need that hit. And yeah, there he goes. There he goes. There's our guy. There's our guy right there, holding them accountable. There's our guy. So he's making 10K tomorrow. There, see? I see. There it is. There it is. There it is. He says, "Nay, he got the same issue." Yeah, dude. I mean, they know what they're doing. They get you anxious for it, and for 5 days, they get you anxious. They give you the account at the end of the day, and then at pre-market, somehow, some way, you're sitting in front of your computer screen trading it. Dude, honestly, I think I may have taken this too soon. I think I may have taken this too soon. But you know what? We're gonna come back tomorrow. We're gonna make any money. We're gonna make the money back. I'm not gonna sit through this crap. But all right, guys, we'll definitely come back tomorrow and we'll definitely earn more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good night.